Birdie is so bossy. You guys have no idea. Ain't that right, Birdie?
The reason why Birdie is bossy.
What? Just háblame. What? What do you got to say?
Es porque mi esposo es muy...
Lazy?
Sí.
No way.
¿Cómo se dice pittle farter?
Pittle farter. I don't know. Anybody that speaks Spanish out there, how do you say pittle farter?
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. My name is Brad Harrell, and today we are out at the ranch again. We're gonna be knocking down some walls, trying to get ready for the moving of the plumbing in the master bathroom. Birdie is taking some measurements of the house. We had the electrician come out. Oh, look at that. Animal was nice enough to go number 2 on the rug in the front. How you doing, Birdie? What are you doing? Measuring, making some plans for Preston. For Preston, our electrician. He came out yesterday and we talked about all the stuff we need to do. We're gonna be taking all these old style fluorescent fixtures, making them can lights of the LED version. So all the old fixtures, all the old hanging lights, we're gonna change to can lights. We're gonna take the fans out, upgrade those. So yeah, he came and looked at a bunch of stuff and said, I can do it, no problem. I just need a plan. So we don't have an actual plan right now of the house. So Birdie's gonna draw one up. That's what she's good at. One of the things she's good at. So I've got the door and the door frame out. There's the door over there. Here's the frame. Just had nails, like a finish nail, holding it in. So we are going to move this piece of cabinetry over there. And got to get Birdie to come over here, give me a hand so we can get the dolly underneath it. Underneath it. Okay. Neither are you.
Have you noticed that?
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
I don't need people to boss me.
that? You don't have to yell at me. 3. What? Come on. It's not gonna break. Come on.
I'm attempting.
Put my foot in front of it. Put your foot in front of it. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Santa Maria Josefina.
This is a lot heavier.
Alright. Okay. Ready? Mija, can you get some tape?
Josie came up to Brad when he was younger and said, "Oh, chulo."
Yeah.
Now we know why.
And she did it like 3 times. And then she says, Jennifer está loca. That's my sister.
Not it. No, I don't.
Yeah, we'll just go your way and then you pull it out.
Do you want me to swing this way, or do you want to go?
No, you gotta swing because I can't. Hold on a bit. Then you're gonna have to pull the rest of that rug out. We got our tile guy coming over here to bust out the rest of the thin set on the floor. We're gonna bust out the rest of these 2 rows here, and then both showers, or shower and tub. Master shower here, and the hall back, the blue tile. Well, this is day 2 or 3 out here at the ranch. I got this big chipping hammer. We're gonna start chipping out the floor in the master bathroom. Oh, this thing's heavy. Let me put this camera down. No, buddy, this is way too heavy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off by chipping out around the toilet. See how deep that is. Also need to chip up around the shower because we're gonna move the shower over to that corner. And then we're gonna add a tub right over here. So I got my work cut out for me, that's for show. What are you doing over here, Birdie?
Oh, just trimming up drywall.
You know, I think you're the prettiest drywaller I've ever seen.
Oh, I don't think you've been on enough.
Of course, most of the drywallers that I've seen have been men, so
There's some pretty men out there.
that's true. I mean, I'm a pretty man. I'm not a pretty man? Mentiras. Oh, that's not nice.
Well, you know what? Then you came from that. Ugly.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that means you're probably ugly too if I'm ugly. So what we're doing is we're busting up the concrete around here so that way we can move the toilet over that way a little bit, kind of in front of you where you're sitting. Okay? Yeah. What? Your gloves are right there. On the wall. Y'all want to make a fire tonight at the house?
Yeah.
Outside? Want to cook some food out there?
Yeah.
What do you want
And tomorrow, I want to cook the axis that I shot. I want to cook it.
Okay.
I want to. Yes. Last year we did shish kebab. So this year.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
You want to cook the heart?
Yeah. I want to cook the heart and I want to cook the liver. Did you know at liver? One of my our step teacher or the
Substitute.
yeah, the substitute, she likes liver.
Liver.
Yeah. What does liver mean? It's a gross part of a deer.
It's not gross. It's just one of the organs.
It does. And you touch that simple what?
It'll itch.
And it really and so you take a shower with soap, it will go.
Right. You
Really?
got it.
So I'm not gonna touch it.
Don't touch it. It's dangerous.
It's not dangerous. No, I'm sitting here. You move.
Come. Why don't you come over here? Yeah, pick that stuff up. Throw it in here. What's interesting about this slab is that they'd have no rebar, just remesh. And typically there's like at least half-inch rebar, 12 to 16 inches on center. So that's interesting. This is remesh. Just typically they use it in flat work. But very surprised about that. So I have uncovered the toilet stub. There it is there. This is a lead stub up. It transitions from PVC to lead. And you put a brass toilet flange on it. So what I'll do is I'll cut it back there, lay a new 90 over that way, and then we'll come up with the new toilet stub up over here. So, yeah. Just gotta get some of this dirt out of the way. But now that I got down to the dirt, I think what I'm gonna do is move on to chipping out the shower. Yay. I'm gonna chip on the shower and all these waters. Hopefully I don't hit one of the waters because I don't know where they are. They're in the concrete, below the concrete somewhere. But yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen. I'm not very confident that I'm not gonna hit one of them. Sorry if I'm yelling, but I can't really hear myself talk because I have the hearing protection on. Here we go. Welcome back to yet another day here at the ranch. Oy vey. Like Birdie was saying the other day, I'm getting tired of this place. But anyway, here we are. We're going to continue chipping on that. I figured I'd better stop yesterday before I end up busting a pipe and have to fix it or just whatever. What are you doing, crazy? Oh, okay. Woo. Hey, you Superman? Crazy, crazy. All right, y'all go outside because this is going to be loud.
Okay.
All right. Well, that's what I said. We'll just put a garbage disposal in the shower so we don't have to have a toilet. The urinal could go in the shower. Yeah. And then we can cook in there too.
Come on over to our house for dinner.
Daddy, Liam wants in the nuts.
Oh.
The ball.
Hey, don't say nut. Well, I guess that's not a bad word. Well, I got a little bit more chipping to do over here and then going over there to the tub. But I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to go to the house and we're going to cook some supper and call it a night. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Texas Beard Adventures. If you did, hit the notification bell, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the White the Kitties do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. And I'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies.
And number 2?
Yes. No.
Tomato, pickles, and onions?
I want everybody on it. Everybody.
Feet first.
Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen, probably.
Yeah.
Oh.
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
Ain't sitting too good. Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10% really got me going.
Is that DNR? All right, cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.
Oh, pretty bird, pretty bird. I'm gonna eat you with jalapeno in the middle and wrapped with bacon. Oh, pretty bird.